Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to your geography class. Today in this video we are going to study about the representation of geographical features. Now, what are the geographical features? Geographical features merely simply refers to the geographical boundaries, the territorial areas, the political division, the land masses, the water bodies. All these things are collectively known as the geographical features. Okay? Now in this particular chapter we are going to learn more about the maps, the sketches, the globe, how do they help us, what are their importance. Each and everything will be mentioned to you in this particular chapter. So the whole chapter won't be discussed in this particular video. We will complete topics, then the videos will be posted in your WhatsApp. We'll complete one topic and that particular topic will be sent to you on your YouTube. Now the first thing that helps us understand the geographical features is a globe. Now what is a globe? A globe is a model of the earth. A globe is a model of the earth and it is round in shape. A globe is a model of the earth and it is round in shape. Now how does it help us? Now globes helps us to see the shape of the earth, the way the earth is tilted towards the sun. We can see it on a globe as well. Earth is slightly tilted towards the sun. And the globe that we get in the market, that particular globe, that particular model also is built in such a way that it is tilted towards the sun. The way you see, this particular stand is holding the globe in such a way so that it can show you that it is tilted towards the sun. Another merit of a globe, we can see continents, countries and features in a globe. The ocean, the seas, everything is mentioned on the globe. Now, when we see a globe, we can also identify the latitudes, longitudes, okay? The ocean, the North Pole, South Pole, all these things can be easily identified, can be easily seen on a globe. Now what are latitudes and what are longitudes? Latitudes are parallel lines running from east to west. Latitudes are the flat lines drawn on a globe. 0 degree, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, okay? Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. These all are latitudes which are running from east to west. Now what are longitudes? Longitudes are those lines, those imaginary lines which are running from North Pole to South Pole. Okay? On the top we have the North Pole and below we have the South Pole. East is towards my left and west is towards my right. Okay? Now, these all things can be easily seen on a globe. Now, when it has an advantage, we can also see few disadvantages. Now, what are the disadvantages of a globe? Now, globe is a model of the earth. We can't carry it everywhere we go. Okay, suppose if we have to see a map, if we are traveling and we want to go to a particular place, we are not going to carry a map carry a globe in our hand. Okay. So it is bulky and it is not convenient for us to carry everywhere. Another demerit is that the small details of land masses, small towns or cities or roads can't be seen on a globe. Okay? Then, while seeing a globe, we can only see the front position. We can only see one part at a time. The other part is not visible to us. Why? Because the globe is round in shape and if you keep it in front of you, only the front portion is visible to you, the back portion is not visible. Okay, if you turn it, then only you will be able to see. You can't see the full thing at one time. So a part of it can be seen at a time. Okay, so these are the disadvantages and advantages of globe. Okay. Now we are going to talk about map. We discussed about the globe. Now we are going to discuss about map. What a map is and how is a map useful to us and what are its demerits. Now you have seen that globe is round in shape. Okay, it is a 3D model of the earth. But map is drawn on a flat surface. Okay, on a flat surface. We are seeing the board. Now map, the world map can be drawn over here and it will be flat. Whereas globe is round in shape. It is the model of the earth. Model, when I say the way the earth looks, the same thing you can see. It is a miniature of a earth. Now map, when I talk about map, map can be drawn on the blackboard or on a flat surface or on a chart paper. Okay. So the first difference between a globe and a map is that globe is round in shape, globe is a model of the earth, whereas map is drawn on a flat surface. When I say flat, straight, okay, flat, okay, that is a map. Now collection of maps. Collection of maps. Most people, most of you are knowing what an atlas is. What is an atlas? An atlas is a collection of different maps. Maps, political maps, agricultural maps, route maps, vegetation maps, all these are there, political, physical features, all these things have their different maps. How do maps help us? Map is very easy to handle and carry. We can carry map in our bags, okay, but we can't carry globe. Next, all details like physical features, political features, vegetation, climate, all these things are easy for us to identify. It is very easy to see a map and identify that in which place what vegetation takes place. Which place experiences heavy rainfall, which place is cold, which place is hot, which place is desert, which place is cold. All these things can be understood while taking a look at a map. Next, it is easy to store a map. It is easy to store a map, meaning it can be kept in a cupboard, it can be kept on a shelf, but globes requires a lot of space. Okay? Next, detailed information can be seen on a map. When I talk about detailed information, suppose if you are having an atlas, world physical, world political, and each and every country, state, district, it can be seen in an atlas, and atlas have different maps, and in those maps we can easily see the roads, the railway tracks, everything will be mentioned in a map. Okay? Whereas on globe, we can only see the continents, countries and small towns. Okay, the famous towns, their capitals. Okay, the capitals and the harbors. Okay, the seaports. Only these few things are mentioned on a globe. Whereas in map, you get detailed information. When I say detailed information, even a small town or a small place, even a small shop can be also mentioned on a map. Okay, so that is the merits of map. Now when I talk about the demerits, the first demerit of a map is that we are not able to see the shape of the earth. Globe was round in shape and we can easily identify, okay, this is the globe and this is how earth looks like. But seeing to a map, earth is not flat. Okay, earth is round in shape and the globe shows us the shape of the earth, whereas map can't. Okay, so that is the first demerit. Now since map is drawn on a flat surface, we can't identify, we can't give statements that this is the exact thing. Globe will show you the exact latitudes and longitudes, but maps will not give you the exact latitudes and longitudes how it is on a globe. Okay, so that is demerit. So for today, please revise whatever is taught and go through the images that are sent on your WhatsApp group. Read about globe, its merit, demerit, read about map, merit, demerit, and then we shall move on with the different types of maps. So for today, that's all. Thank you.